Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to create team for application and also link team with application. So let's see about that. You can see here a module Dev application team. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to recruitment app, go to this configuration menu and see here this menu application team for create. Now create here team like a team 1 and team leader is a admin. Add here team member and save, and another is a team 2. Leader is a mark demo and save. Now go to application, go to anyone and see here this application team. I did create total to team 1 and team 2. So easily select here for this candidate. Let's save. Now go to list view, and if you want to save team wise, so easily search here, select here application team and display here team 1 is 1, this Herbert blank and none is not available. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.